The farmers of Punjab and Haryana are hitting the streets again after their earlier attempts to talk with the centre over the three farm laws introduced by the Modi government seems to have failed. Close to 500 farmers' organizations have joined hands for the Delhi Chalo protest that is seeing the participation of estimated 2 lakh farmers. The march will go on for 2 days, that is 26th and 27th of November. These farmers are marching towards the national capital. However, instead of listening to their issues, they are being faced with a brute police force. Police used water cannons and tear gas to disperse the hundreds of farmers from Punjab who broke barricades, throwing some into the river, determined to enter the state as a part of their Delhi Chalo march against the centre's contentious farm laws. They are marching towards the national capital in tractors, trolleys, and other vehicles and are expected to reach here today. The Delhi police has strengthened its presence in border areas of the national capital in view of the protest march. At the Singhu border, the police stationed trucks filled with sand to stop the movement of tractors driven by farmers. As part of their nationwide call, the government employees of Haryana have also announced to go on a strike today. Workers will also stage protest. Meanwhile, the Delhi police on Wednesday said that it had rejected requests received from various farmer organizations to protest in the national capital. Please cooperate with Delhi police in ensuring no gathering in Delhi amid coronavirus, failing which legal action will be initiated as per law. This is what the Deputy Commissioner of Police New Delhi tweeted. The Delhi Metro also said that no trains will cross the borders to enter Noida, Gurgaon or other NCR towns till 2 p.m. on Thursday. Trains from NCR towns will also not enter Delhi during that time and run along stretches within borders of those towns. The farmers are scheduled to reach Delhi on Thursday through 5 highways connecting the city as part of their Delhi Chalo march call. Delhi metro trains will not cross the borders of the national capital with neighbouring cities on Thursday till 2 p.m. in view of the march by farmers. The Delhi Metro Rail Corporation also said that no metro services will be available from Anand Vihar to Vaishali and New Ashok Nagar to Noida city centre during this period. No metro services will be available between Sultanpur and Guru Dronacharya metro stations on Thursday till 2 p.m. However, regular metro services will remain available in the entire section of airport and rapid metro lines during the same period. As farmers march towards Punjab and Haryana borders from different parts of the state, songs blared from their tractors. Released last week by Kanwar Grewal and Harf Chima, the song Pecha talks about farmers' Delhi Chalo program and asks farmers to get ready for this nationwide stir on November 26th and 27th so as to protest against the farm bills. Farmers have also arranged paddy stubble in many trolleys which can be used as sheets to be spread below in trolleys so that one can feel the warmth. Dry ration for 3-4 months has also been stocked by each Jatha, including onions, potatoes, spices, vegetable pulses, etc. Large utensils to cook the food, wood as fuel to cook this food, while LPG cylinders can also be arranged from nearby areas where the morchas will be organized. These arrangements are done for struggles most of the time, and this time the struggle seems to be long. Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh on Thursday also lashed out at the BJP-led government in Haryana for stopping farmers from moving towards Delhi, saying that the use of brute force against them is totally undemocratic and unconstitutional. Haryana has completely sealed its borders with Punjab to prevent the farmers from entering the state for their Delhi Chalo protest march against the centre's farm laws. Amrinder Singh tweeted, "Why is ML Khattar government in Haryana stopping the farmers from moving to Delhi? The tyrannical use of brute force against peacefully protesting farmers is totally undemocratic and unconstitutional." He said that farmers have been peacefully protesting in Punjab against the farm laws for 2 months. Why is Haryana government provoking them by resorting to force? Don't the farmers have the right to pass peacefully through a public highway? On the other hand, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal also slammed the centre. He said it is absolutely wrong that farmers are being prevented from holding peaceful demonstrations against the centre's new farm laws and water cannons are being used on them in the middle of the winter. He further said that peaceful demonstration was a constitutional right of the farmers. He said all the 3 farming bills of the central government are anti-farmer. Instead of withdrawing them, farmers are being prevented from holding peaceful demonstrations. water cannons are being used on them. This is absolutely wrong and peaceful demonstrations are their constitutional right. Meanwhile, Yogendra Yadav, president of Swaraj India, taken into preventive custody along with 10 to 12 others in Gurgaon after being stopped on his way to Delhi to join the farmers' protest. Some reports also stated that Delhi police arrested protesters taking shelter in Delhi Gurudwaras as well. 6 protesters from Amritsar were arrested from Gurudwaras across Delhi last night. Meanwhile, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi took to Twitter to support the farmers' protest, saying that the farmers of our country stand firmly against the brutality by Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led BJP government. Meanwhile, protests are happening in Kerala and Kolkata as well, where trade unions have observed the general call of Bandh against the labour laws.
यहाँ पे प्रशासन की तरफ से पूरी तैयारी है। यहाँ पे हमने कंक्रीट के ब्लॉक्स, ट्रक्स वगैरह लगाए हैं, हमारी पूरी फोर्स तैयार है, बैरिकेड्स वगैरह लगाए हैं। किसी भी सूरत में यहाँ से किसानों को आगे नहीं जाने दिया जाएगा। सबसे अपील रहेगी कि शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से जो जहाँ है वहीं रहें और दिल्ली जाने के प्रयास ना करें।
सर, कानून व्यवस्था ना बिगड़े उसके लिए किस तरह के
पूरी तरह की व्यवस्थाएं हैं। ड्यूटी मजिस्ट्रेट लगा दिए हैं, हमारे पुलिस फोर्स तैयार है। धारा 144 हमने लगा रखी है। किसी भी कीमत पे यहाँ से किसी को आगे दिल्ली के लिए नहीं
जाम लगा हुआ है दोनों साइड में।
हमारी जो ट्रैफिक ड्यूटीज हैं वो ऑन है। हम जो भी व्हीकल्स हैं इनको इंद्री के जरिए डाइवर्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। आगे भी हमने बाकी जो ज़िले हैं पानीपत और सोनीपत वहाँ टाई अप करके वहाँ से भी ट्रैफिक डाइवर्जन शुरू कराई है। ये बात तो ठीक है कि कुछ लोगों को जो ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं उनको असुविधा हो सकती है, लेकिन प्रशासन की पूरी कोशिश है कि हम डाइवर्जन के जरिए जितनी इस असुविधा को कम कर सकें उतनी करें।
तो सर, अनजाने में लोग आसपास के गाँवों से गुजर रहे हैं और वहाँ भीड़ी तंग गलियाँ होने की वजह से वहाँ पर फंस रहे हैं।
सबसे आग्रह रहेगा कि वो बिल्कुल ना निकले, जो जहाँ पे है वहीं पे बैठा रहे।
मध्य प्रदेश से राजस्थान होकर यूपी बॉर्डर तक पहुंच गए हैं तो तत्काल हमें रोका गया है और पुलिस अधिकारी जिनमें एसपी भी है उनका साफ कहना है कि ऊपर से आदेश है और कोई कारण नहीं है।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.